Afoy magwe dano sheke musheo kodwa European iwaluo television tinu tieni WCL chinkasi adek nginya kwato beshui magwe enkere advisor shelo macho meni dano tienia kodi bedi pasho kodi tel balangiti wi nia pikoto beshui chidi team teach madomondo watch ni hustling chidi side teach chidi team teach of course food por during the kakwata beshu kuma tek magwe enkere jumagiti teach offices jumagiti mukolo kanongi chidu yab dokani dani paida kakeni dani gulu kakecha echa kitgum o chidu yab dokani nyo chidu yab kalor muanyo ya no dano mako sham yes waya nywa kwa ikisania ni dario wabedu pe ku show ya mkaka enkere wabedu kule manya nok mbeka dewa bet program kene pare beka medre iwange asu ajoli magwe wanduo television nyingati adong Sara aka super lady abedu kaka Emma Akwero mapodu tie nyati live moko manya nok ebiduogu kane duogi binene we set kaka tini studio atie anikenda ngo atie karashel ko pat la ruby pat ukendo koti maleng magwe pat icho nini
acho be super lady
amaro jacket ni blazer I mean jacket blazer is all the same
afoyo
tai benego makwa wate ki gere ki torozi torozi alu ni torozi chamo kana pinya lu pingo magilu pali ku gene kuma any torozi
no damni
does it come from the word trouser
which is actually easier in the connotation me fonye it's easier me when you ti me trouser ni me chere torozi
so alu me lo ma lo wa ni I want to be yellow shortcut why many torozi
we go bed yacht
pay better take it work for almost a week nene better ka yero dege kweke watch down kong
I been safari mana chero Zambia from Zambia I was in Zimbabwe Zimbabwe I been Ethiopia and I dugula wo maja chakara chero guru.
By the way, sincere condolence pe lok pero mo wako pa jogolo kono.
Yeah, bedo ke pero matidi. Ento watiro matiro la wo cha kwanya yo adugu. Ento wat ma wor ni wo chera en lok ngi metu ngech. Ngini as a journalist to chera kan wo chera gen makiloni African Science Foundation Conference mukelo all the scientists across the world go in Africa. Dan wanchar Malawi, Center for Disease Control. Neno kid makiti ko de wit tuo mogo mateno teno. An chalo ana beru ki presentation on nodding syndrome. As non-communicable disease mogo tuo mogo matie ma pick up ben petika nya era no tika yellow dano. So I had gone to present that paper because I thought we needed to put a voice. E pero matie e gang bot wa kuya.
Because tuer ma o lubu mo kana bene. Tuer be Uganda dire we need to beneti Malawi. At the end of it all this is a global village and we are Africans.
So geno tera meden anu. Cha chiaro bena tiago chiaria duatia.
Afoy
mo wako gang.
Ento it is okay.
Better bought chocolate
chocolate atika koro chocolate fu pick up you know anyway we ko chat conversation mama ko wi yam ka kan erne and wo cha ko kere lok matika trending we lobo long ngo matika trending tutwal ni no matin enni ni no ma la dit makilwoni Crispus Kiyonga kibin kimine ot ma and of course the Asians mine ento kwer ka donyo ot enni ma il fachel mia bongwen ki Pierre bor we bongwen pat ngoma ini po ki kere ki Crispus Kiyonga
pani dong abi poa ento ka neno in level kiot ma acting kwere adong ibi yeni kano ukwer ot ena da ma po ye bena po gamo lo tela ma kumeno kumbedi ginak le tela ma ke mira ot nena chalo gin minono kumbeti eni ginak PM kane giti kumano ono we bedo kilo tela kikume me wa kilo tela matiki integrity lo tela magi ngeyo ngo magi mero ento Crispus me wachini at ene an pabitero bene pa mero I think I have better deal.
Did he refuse that house because Ubero Otma because he said in the New Vision papers that year he decided not to go into that house because it was out that was allocated to him by the departed Asians property. So itawana yan gwa nyotika par ninyo Indians and ninyo Asians ngitwer ka binu kagam otgi
anatamani nechalo overs ingene this is a very bright guy. That's the first thing. Kidong mi ario an ki bora ne chalo mi repo ber maduong twan la ko de mi re too much interest je mi non ni ane chalo Crispus obedo pe kwere. That's why munya chako statement ani kan no tela weng bedo ni I should be happy with what I have.
Yeah.
And not be you know, I fall on everything. Take on tear the part ye. And we are chamchana duong committee, or we are ko duong committee, or we are gen mati kum lotela bene pe. PM give me to Jimmy well bed meggi. And I kind of make tick where any no foil or you know again. I wouldn't think we'll be fumbling over property and things.
Well, mono we Crispus Kiyonga Okwero spot on ka Kenya and bene the same thing a penye bene. Why would the minister be given a house being a kimini minister at meno no? But no minister bene tika chulo mchara kitia mi allowances. I mean, I think